There's a specific kind of electricity that happens when a conversation lingers a beat too long with someone who isn't technically available. It isn't about pickup lines or cheap tricks. The real mystery here isn't how to make someone notice you, it's why certain people become magnetic in situations they shouldn't be in at all. Let's clear the air immediately. This isn't about playing games or breaking up a home. If that's your angle, you've already lost the plot. We're talking about the raw psychology of attraction when it operates outside the lines of commitment, and it's far more nuanced than the internet gurus will tell you. Here's the overlooked truth. A person in a long-term relationship often isn't looking for a better partner. They're looking for a mirror that reflects a version of themselves they forgot existed. Marriage, for all its beauty, can become a factory of routine. When the daily grind numbs the edges of individuality, the subconscious starts searching for a psychological escape hatch. This isn't a physical need, it's an emotional vacuum. If you find yourself in the orbit of someone who fits this description, the fatal error is trying to convince them. Convincing is coercion. Instead, think in terms of resonance. True intrigue is built on the absence of demand. When you interact without expectation, offering sharp wit, genuine curiosity, and zero desperation, you become a stark contrast to the weighted obligations they face at home. This contrast is what ignites curiosity, not some sleazy line about having fun. However, and this is the cinematic plot twist, if you engage for the ego boost, you'll walk away empty. This dynamic is a high-stakes psychological mirror. To pull it off with any integrity, you have to shift the focus entirely. Don't ask what you can get, ask what void you are inadvertently filling. Is it boredom? Feeling unseen? Intellectual stagnation? The most captivating energy you can project is what I call the open door presence. You stand in the doorway of possibility, but you don't step inside. You let them visualize crossing that threshold on their own volition. This isn't manipulation, it's the art of letting absence speak volumes. You create a bubble of non-judgmental space where they can safely explore the thoughts they're too afraid to say out loud. But let's get brutally honest. If she's truly devoted, nothing you do will crack that foundation. And that's okay. If she's vulnerable and you act solely on impulse, you aren't a seducer, you're a catalyst for chaos. The most psychologically sound approach is to recognize that genuine connection is about timing and emotional availability. If the stars align, the dynamic happens organically, not through a series of repel rounds, but through a deep, unfiltered recognition of mutual human desire. In the end, the power isn't in getting her to commit to you. The power is in having the emotional intelligence to walk away if the situation asks for it. That restraint is ironically the most attractive thing you can ever display.